Two of the biggest names in creative tools, Adobe Express and Affinity Designer, face off. But which one really delivers? On the left, Adobe Express. Fast, AI-powered design for everyone. On the right, Affinity Designer, the pro vector graphics tool with a one-time price. Let's skip the buzzwords and jump into the real differences. Each category scores points, and at the end, you'll know exactly who comes out on top. The result just might surprise you.
All right, here's a quick mind map of the categories we're going to compare. Pricing, features and design tools, usability, platform and ecosystem, ideal use case, and support and community. Each of these is kinda a big deal, honestly, and you might be surprised by where each product scores.
So, first up, pricing.
Adobe Express comes in swinging with a free plan, which is awesome for anyone testing the waters. And their premium tier, it's a basic $9.99 per month. Nothing complicated. But I gotta say, yeah, subscriptions add up. You'll pay more over time, especially if you stick with it for years. Now, with Affinity Designer, you pay once and you're done. No monthly bills staring at you, which feels pretty liberating, right? It's affordable upfront and you keep it forever. Only catch, no free version after the trial, so you do have to commit. Still, if you hate subscriptions, and who doesn't, Affinity Designer kinda wins this round. Next, features and design tools. Adobe Express, oh man, it's built for speed and simplicity. You get AI-powered templates, fast editing, and seamless Adobe integration. Perfect for whipping up social content or marketing visuals in, like, minutes. But, and this is key, it's really not for heavy-duty, detailed design, especially if you're into print or deep vector work. Affinity Designer is honestly a different beast. You get advanced vector tools, layer styles, professional color support, non-destructive editing, the works. It's as pro as it gets for book covers, illustrations, or technical design. The learning curve? Yeah, a bit sharp if you're switching from Illustrator, and maybe not lightning fast for simple stuff. But if you want serious design muscle, Affinity is the clear winner. Usability. Adobe Express is like pick up and go. Super beginner-friendly with templates everywhere, and the workflow is fast. You don't need to read a manual to get a post out. Seriously, it almost feels too easy sometimes. The only downside is, if you want to really customize things, the templates can feel a bit limiting. Now, Affinity Designer? If you're a designer, especially one coming from Illustrator, this will feel familiar and super customizable, which is sweet. But new users might get overwhelmed with all the advanced stuff. So overall, Adobe Express makes this category its own. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know that Affinity Designer gives you free upgrades with version 2? No extra hidden charges? Meanwhile, Adobe Express keeps dropping fresh AI features each year. Yeah, things are moving fast in the design world. Platform and ecosystem. Let's break this down. Adobe Express, it's everywhere. Cloud-based, works on web, Windows, Mac, mobile, plus it plugs right into Adobe fonts, stock, and all that good stuff. If you're already living in Adobe world, it's super smooth. Though if you're the kind who likes working fully offline, that cloud focus could be a deal breaker. Meanwhile, Affinity Designer feels solid with native apps for Mac, Windows, and iPad. Really solid compatibility and killer export options, but no cloud collab workflow. And it stands alone. So if you want deep integration with assets or other tools, it's not quite there. So Adobe Express takes it for platform and ecosystem. Ideal use case time. Adobe Express is honestly a dream for marketers, social media folks, and content creators who just need things out quick and good. Anyone not super deep into design, this is for you. But yeah, if you need serious illustrations or print-ready stuff, you'll run into walls pretty fast. Affinity Designer, on the other hand, this is for the pros. Illustrators, vector artists, designers doing print or technical stuff. It's powerful, but sometimes too much if all you need is a quick Instagram post. So, for this one, it's a tie. Both have their heroes. Support and community? Adobe Express. As part of the massive Adobe world, you get loads of documentation, tutorials, forums, the works. Sometimes support feels, a little slow. Big companies and all, but the resources are huge. Affinity Designer's got a supported forum and decent community, but it's smaller, and the official support feels a bit basic compared to the Adobe juggernaut. So if you like having tons of help at your fingertips, Adobe Express wins it again. If you look at the overall radar, Affinity scores big on features and price, while Adobe Express dominates on usability, ecosystem, and support. Basically, your winner will depend on what matters more: pro features or quick, broad access. So, to wrap this up, if you're all about heavy vector illustration, pro-level print design, and never want to worry about subscriptions, Affinity Designer is your champion. But if you need to make a ton of marketing material, posts, or just want things done fast, especially if you already use Adobe, Adobe Express is ridiculously good. Honestly, it's a classic case of picking what fits your world. All right, real talk. Think about what you need. Blazing quick content or deep dive pro design? Let me know in the comments which way you're leaning. And if you want more creative software shootouts, definitely hit subscribe.